Hey y'all, just a quick video today to let you know that, by request, I've posted a small free sample pack of the Intellivoice. The Intellivoice, released in 1982, was an add-on for the Intellivision that added speech capability for a few Intellivision games. The chip in here is related to the one on the Speak and Spell, and is basically on the same level. But what it means is this add-on was a synthesizer. So, many years ago, I used an Arduino to make a keyboard-controlled Intellivoice synth.
Intel Electronics presents 63, 1932.
Recently had some comments on that video asking if I would post the samples, to which I responded, I'm sure someone else has already done it, but apparently not. So, 7 years later, I dug this out of my closet, and of course it wasn't working. I mean, when I cracked it open, it's still all on a breadboard in here, so it wasn't really built to last. Luckily, with about 30 minutes of finding the bad wire, I was able to get it up and running and record these samples. So, here they are. Now, all I have included here are the onboard sounds, so there's none of the famous B-17 bomber in these samples. So really, it's just a whole bunch of numbers, and then press enter or and Intel Electronics presents. I've included the raw samples and a simple Kontakt instrument that plays them back.
0, 1, 2.
For nerds, which I hope you all consider yourselves, one additional detail.
6.
The clock that I use for my Intellivoice synth is faster than the original clock. I have a 3.579545 megahertz clock in there, where the original clock speed was 3.12 megahertz. So that means, in my synth, the samples played back too fast.
Intel Electronics presents.
So what I did for this sample pack is I lovingly resampled them back to the original Intellivoice pitches. But I did this digitally in my waveform editor after the fact.
Intel Electronics presents.
If you're interested in the sample pack, it's linked in the description. Have some fun and make some retro counting-based pieces.
10. Intel Electronics presents. 42. 42. Intel Electronics presents.